currently, this is what I'm doing. Yeah, no, it's not raining. I gotta go help my dad work in the workshop. I gotta paint some grills. Get down and dirty. So excited. Don't know. Yeah, I'm going to work on my vacation. So what do I need this for? What do I need this for?
What?
This in this jug. Is that water?
Tina. I go cover everything at once because of the smooth steel. Smooth steel don't cover that easy like it was the rough steel.
So you have to do it again?
Yes, so it get dry, you just touch it over again. But once you put on this, it's
Okay.
a lazy man. Here.
I finished my first coat. It's so beautiful that you can just put it up like this. Look at that. Oh my god. You remember it was red before or brown, whatever color? So pretty. Oh my god. I did that. Me. See? Me. Hey, we're in the bus. We're going to St. Elizabeth. A night today. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. The Granny I'm marrying tomorrow. Oh god. Oh my god. We're putting her in the ground tomorrow. Oh my god. I can't believe it. I can't. I definitely can't. I'm not taking a selfie. I'm making a video. Hey, Shim. Yeah, Shamika was like, can I get the Esco fish?
Esco fish?
Because it just says Esco, right? Oh. But I'm like, it's Esco fish. And she's like, can I get gravy? Can I get the fish gravy? Like, yeah, Esco fish don't have gravy.
Today you highlight from the Where buy from Marlon?
Who?
Where you buying from Marlon?
Marlon's buying for himself. Him no work?
Money? Yeah.
It's my auntie's birthday. Hi, Auntie Valerie. Look on me. Look on the camera. Happy birthday! It's my favoriteest aunt. It's her birthday. She's getting older. She's like 60 now. Oh my god. I don't know what she's gonna do with herself. God. Poor thing. Oh god.
Esco Beach?
Esco Beach, yes.
No, Esco Petra. Esco Beach.
And they just probably couldn't write it all on the board.
What them get now?
They got rice. Rice and gravy. I don't know how them fin yam them someday. Tasha, what you buy?
Just rice and peas and callaloo.
That's all. Why did you get fish?
You know.
Yo, send Anaya to my house. See? Send Anaya to. Send Anaya.
Anaya is gonna eat meat.
Send Anaya to my house. I'm gonna call Children's Aid. I'm gonna call every aid in the world on you guys, so I can get full custody. Because I am her godmother. I'm gonna get full custody of that child. And she's gonna know jerk chicken, jerk pork, stew pork, stew beef, stew chicken.
It's strongly resisting this the pork.
What? You're sick.
At least put that.
Okay, well, okay. She won't get pork, but she's gonna know every type of chicken there is. she won't know that it's bullshit. She's gonna be like, yum yum yum, delicioso. Exactly. Exactly. That's what she's gonna do. When she goes to school, she's gonna be like, oh, you guys are eating sausages? Can I have some? Oh, you guys are eating bacon? Can I have some? No, she's not. No, she's not. Lies. Ain't nobody here questioning it. I ain't questioning it. Shit. It up a day.
About getting the bottle with the ice so you can just
This is our driver. Say hi, Chris. Is your face allowed to be on the internet? No? All right, so we got to edit that out.
It's basically ketchup. That's where they put vinegar in it. Stretch it out.
Alright, so I'm gonna eat my jerk chicken.
No more stuff now.
No more stuff.
Nobody want to peek a bathroom there.
Auntie Vari, did you have to pee?
No. Drive, star. Drive, Mr.
Sorry,
Chris. Drive, skipper. Yeah.
Like you.
My brush you put that little girl.
So yeah,
Don't bend your ankle.
we're off now. No more stops, they said.
Nope, no more stuff. Great.
So I guess we will. Well, yeah, I guess you will see me
Rain again?
when I reach St. Elizabeth's. Okay.
2 hours.
Are you sick? There's gonna be kids watching this. You stupid. Don't mind him. He's Jamaican. He doesn't know any better.
Mosquito, come on.
Okay. Bye.
You're X-rated.
I don't know if you guys can see this rain, but yep, this is night-night for my grandma. She's mad, she's sad, she's crying. She's in heaven. She's looking down and she's so sad. Oh God.
If she died,
Just get out of my video. Oh my God. What is your problem? He's so annoying.
if him gone,
That's my uncle, by the way.
when me don't go,
I don't know. Where you want to go?
anybody dead and hell,
Wanna Mississauga? And that's where you figure.
yeah, listen me,
Huh?
anyone dead, I'm gonna hell.
Anyone?
Yeah. What if you just not dead?
She was 98. She would have been 99 in November. She would have been 100 next year. And she was gonna live.
Shit. Some born, some, okay, some dead by gunshot, some get electrocuted, lightning struck some drop off a building, some drown, some meet up in a motor vehicle accident,
Some get poisoned.
some get bam bam! All different kind of way, man, dead, you know. All different kind of way.
Stop again.
You know what I mean?
Bong bong.
Hey, a man just kind of that, right? The man does well, man, some more people, they hang out, right?
Okay, so this is the yard for my grandma. The rain kind of washed everything out. Let me zoom up there and show you. That, whoa. That is where she's gonna be buried. Do you see it? They painted it violet because her name is Violet. I don't know, every time I see violet it's purple, but for some reason roses are red, violets are blue. I don't know, we didn't care, but we said purple. Yeah, so that's where she's gonna be buried. They're painting her tombstone right now. It's so pretty compared to what we've seen when we were just here on Wednesday. I'm so excited that it looks so beautiful. She's gonna rest so good, and it's purple inside as well. You guys will see more tomorrow at the funeral, obviously. But yeah, that's what we're here to do today. Celebrate that.
You know, we do a thing,
Hey, Shishi.
we should, when we come, we should just haul up the vines
This is my
and drop in a fucking man yard.
It says Grandma forever in our hearts. And sugar. Thank you, Bill. Got my blanket. These mosquitoes are killing me. Oh my god. Sit. Hold it.
Okay.
I'm gonna go look for my mommy. Oh my god, I hope I don't fall. It's raining cats and bizogs. Oh my god. Why aren't you coming outside?
It's raining. Did they keep in the car?
Which car?
This car.
No.
Can you get it for me, brother? Please. Dear God, you're dying. I just want to turn on the engine, get some AC.
He's very far up, so I don't think he can come down. Because he's where the grave is. I mean, the rain eased up a little bit, so you can. Oh, you can't roll down the window?
We need the key for the engine.
I know, I just realized.
Thank you. My brother's over here trying to press buttons. So I said, Auntie Bessie.
Here he's coming in.
Wait.
Please, because I'm melting.
I'm gonna look at her.
His grandma asked me the same question. She said, "Oh, you didn't look well because about Omar. But do you look dead when you didn't have him when you catch him?" I said, I just laughed.
Oh my god.
I said, they say, but are your family, so it's okay. But
It's okay. No, I wasn't upset. I just laughed because
I'm gonna look at her. I don't care. I have to say goodbye. Hi, Omar.
Oh, there's Zoe. He said hi.
Hi, Omar. How are you? What's up? Where's Rayshawn?
So beautiful and peaceful.
Where's Rayshawn?
Then they put the
You left her at home?
lip, eh?
Why?
And her face black.
Who?
Mama.
Stop.
Sorry.
Oh, na, na, na. Put your hands in the air if you love this. Yo, don't make me lick you in your head again with this, eh? Oh, God. Everybody say it like. Everybody say it. Oh God, my aunt's struggling. The struggle is so real on her birthday. Oh God. Oh my God. Oh my God. I'm recording this. I hope you know it's going on YouTube. It's going on YouTube. I don't care if it's your birthday. Why are you attempting to do this?
Oh my God, Mom, go on the next side. Are you crazy?
Can you see it in it?
Ta-da.
Oh shit!
I'm good, ain't I?
No, you're not.
Yeah, you are.
She made it! Happy birthday!
Oh, no, 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 no.
Yo, my family's sick, bro. Like, they're all sick in their head. Pills and potions. Except the younger ones. Know that I adore you. You want? Okay, alright, well on there. Let me just show my mom something. Look. Okay, you have to introduce yourself. No, but they have to know who you are and what you're doing. Yes. What if they want to try it at home? Well, I'm putting it on YouTube. Yep. So introduce yourself. Jimmy? All right. So everybody, this is Jimmy. And he's making up fire. To put on the pot so that we can eat. Yes, that's how it goes. Come on, hungry, I'm well hungry. So Jimmy's putting on the fire. Mom, don't lock up the key in the car, eh? I'm with my craven cousin Marlon. Of course, always eating. If I know KFC chicken a party. Family, mommy, Auntie Valerie, Omar. See the sound come there now. Close the door so the mosquitoes don't go inside. Hey, la 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 la, it's just a dawn. You got to know, baby. Excuse me? No, it's me. I'm too cute for that. Huh? What do I have? I do not have anything, so if I stop it, you beat me long time. You beat me long time. Don't kill me. Food's done. See me. Oh my god, I'm so hungry. You guys don't even understand. Oh shit, they have like drums and everything. Oh my god. Yo, mosquito just bit the hell out of me, yo. So Jimmy, what is a tree pot? Tree pot pan the sapphire, yeah.
So Jimmy, can't cook.
There's a lot of them in our family, that's for sure. But the girls are pretty. He's ugly, so I don't know. I'm a brown, I'm not a Sinclair, so it no matter to me still. You understand? Okay, I can't be around here anymore. Sorry, the smoke is getting in my eye. But Jimmy, you did a wonderful job. You did a wonderful job. I'll make sure everybody watches and learns how to make wood fire on them own here. All right. The song go? Mongo, how the song go? Sing it now? Sing it with me ear. Sing it with me ear. Sing the song with me ear. No, I never hear that song there yet. Sing it with me ear. Sing the song with me ear. Jimmy, you know the song? The song we must sing, you know it?
I don't know what you're talking about. Who went to the figure day, lay your body down in the merry clay. I don't know what you're talking about.
That's the first I've ever heard that song.
Like a movie star.
I sound like a movie star. Oh God, if somebody sound like a movie star. Who? You have something for us? What do you have? Okay, wait. Okay, I'm gonna follow it to the bathroom and I'll bring it on my way back. Come. Shim, if you have to pee, come now. Let's go up there. Oh God, I'm blinded. Why are you scared? You don't like what? There's no frogs right now. Oh my God. We are going to. We're gonna go pee to the bathroom if I can find my way. I'm trying to use my flashlight. Well, not my flashlight, but my
Phone light.
thing light to guide us as well as to vlog.
And it just rained, so the floor's slippery.
Yes, but not that bad.
It's dry enough.
Okay, you know what? I can't do this. I can't. I need the light. So, you're gonna look at grass. Bye. What you say? I'm okay. What you say? I'm okay.